the commerce, the economy, and the entire lifestyle. So if the saying is not true, what else is?
We should give credit to the pioneers who cleared roads, who built paths, and cleared bushes to get to villages to show their arts.
There was a glut, a time when film making in Nigeria stopped almost completely. The few filmmakers we had then were essentially, Yoruba filmmakers, the travel theaters like Ogunde and Co, who were moving around from one place to another. They had their own, cine equipment, and they shoot movies here and there, and they use that travel theater to move around.
We have Aisho Pepe in Ibadan. We have Onyadi Jobi in Osogbo. We have Kola Ogumola in Osogbo as well. We have Baba Salah. We have our Baba there. I mean, the contemporary Niawaye. Baba Ogunde, our Gawa, our Baba Wanye. We have Daunili Ola. We have Oshumari here. Look at it and I laugh when some people say the movie, the film in Nigeria starts from living in bondage. I said no. Don't even let us talk of only. Don't let us talk of Baba Salah. Let's talk of Labalu. Let's talk of Gundi Harvest and some other ones that are, even if they are not commercial. Now come back to Gundi's own, that is commercial. Come back to my own. Come back to Baba Salah and others like that. Are you going to throw those one into dustbin? No. They deserve their own remark. They deserve their own respect. You must give it to them. Only in Tubalano, they paved the way to us. Yeah, you understand?
Kama sọ̀rọ̀ bíi 1930 something 20 something back. Náà bàbá jàǹgìlá tí wọ́n ń ṣeré alárìndó eégún ẹlẹ́wẹ̀ which where I belongs to.
Gbogbo àwọn ẹni tá à ń rí nìyẹn tínú wa fi ń dùgbà iṣẹ́ yìí káà náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe mo ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe nìyẹn.
Kọ́lá Ògúnmọ́lá tí wọ́n ti ṣe Láńké Ọ̀mú tí a ti wo ìjà Ògún pẹ̀lú Ṣàngó. I'm talking of Bàbá Dúró Ládípọ̀ Ògúnmọ́lá àwọn tó ń jọ jẹ́ sẹ̀tàn sọ wọ̀nyí. Ẹ wo performance wọn tó ti ṣe sẹ́yìn even kó tó di pé television dé Africa. Wọ́n á pa ìtàn pé àwọn tí ń ṣe theatre 80 years back. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí àtẹ̀mí àti television ọjọ́ kan náà jọ ni wá. Ṣe rí pé àjè sí profession yẹn gan.
So if you want prosperity to be yours, we must not forget those who, the founder of this theatre arts, like Baba Ogunde, Dúró Ládípọ̀, Ẹ̀dá, Baba Wande, a lot. Olówó Mojú Ọ̀rẹ́, Baba Pàjọ, sort of them, they were there. It wasn't like this when they were there because they always speak with one.
In Enugu, we had two of such theatre groups. One was managed by late Ikechukwu Bulie Ikenga. It was called Hilltop Theatre. Bulie and Zulu Adigwe were the main characters I can remember now. Then there is Huron Theatre, which was managed by Roy Denani and Joe Okafor.
I can remember vividly, NEC contact Alade Aromire before he started and said, can you be directing, I want to start shooting a movie, can you be directing all our movies? And they said, I'm busy. And gave NEC one Tade, Mr. Ogutade, and gave neck Mr. Ogutade pé kó máa direct àwọn movie wọn. Bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo living in bondage, àjẹ́ ní ìyá mi, whatever. Àwa ti ṣe báyọ̀ ọmọ ìyá àjẹ́ ń gbà yẹn tó ti jáde tó ti hit before káwọn tó wá lọ ṣe àjẹ́ ní ìyá mi. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn fíìmù tí neck ṣe before the Igbos coming into the business. Ẹ̀mọ̀kútà bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan, àwa à ń sábà bọ̀dá sábẹ́gbọ́n for them to raise some money for us. But ọmọ Igbo àwọn gbowó wá ni. They do it normal. Now they started telling stories they started home video. It's a very big lie. Tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ irọ́ ńlá tó jìnnà sóòótọ́ ni. Àwa náà rí táwọn náà fi kọ́ mi pé àwọn fẹ́ máa ṣe home video.
The first name that was proposed actually came from the Yorubas. They call it National Association of Movie Practitioners. They call it NAPTAP. So later, the Southeasterners came together and said, no, this is coming from Southwest. What of our own idea? They decided to adopt the name NAG, National Nigerian Actors Guild.
Very first person tó máa kọ́kọ́ ronú pé ẹ wá kí ni tá ń lò tá fi ń ya pàtí káàkiri ṣé a lè lò fún fíìmù ni àwọn lè lò fún fíìmù kẹ. I'm talking a person of late Muideen Alade Aromire. Èmi ò lè sọ ẹ lè ti gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi stories. Credit tí kì í ṣe tẹlòmíì, ẹlòmíì fẹ́ gbé mọ́ra ẹ̀ lára, which is not proper.
Iṣẹ́ tíátà ní Nàìjíríà, late Chief Dr. Hubert Adedeji Ogunde ni bàbá, òun ni foundation, òun ni pioneer. Àwọn ni pioneer. Ogunde, Chief Hubert Adedeji Ogunde ni pioneer theatre in Nigeria and in fact in the whole of West Africa. Nígbà tó dẹ̀ di early 70s yẹn tí wọ́n máa ṣe fíìmù kan, torí mo rántí pé fíìmù tí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ ṣe alàgbà professor lénìí kọ́lọ́n túbọ̀ dá ẹ̀mí wọn sí, kọ́lọ́n túbọ̀ lọ́ra ẹ̀mí wọn, àwọn náà kọ́kọ́ ṣe fíìmù ní Nàìjíríà, Kongi Harvest. The documentary náà ni ó bẹ̀tì fíìmù ni táwọn èèyàn lọ wò. Ìyẹn Professor Wọlé Ṣóyínká, kí Ọlọ́run túbọ̀ dá ẹ̀mí wọn sí.
Space is barren, idiot. Does that speech reflect the spirit of harvest? I want a speech which breathes the spirit of harvest. What has the moon to do with harvest? Or space? Void? Gulf? Well, only there is some yawning void waiting to be filled.
They laid the foundation of what is called Nollywood, or Nigerian film, today.
Àwa ọmọ Áfríkà, àwa ló ní ilẹ̀ wa, ọba tó fún wa nílẹ̀, òun ló dá wa pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká rí ara wa bí ọmọ ìyá kan, ká fi gbogbo ọkàn wa ṣòtítọ́ f'Olúwa. Ọjọ́ ń ré kọjá lọ, kò dúró dẹ́nìkan. Ẹ fìkà sílẹ̀, ẹ má bínú orí. Ẹ gbìmọ̀ràn tó dáa, káyé yìí sàn wá o. Ká fọkàn wá